One. Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen Your Way. Today we're making Haitian Epis. The ingredients are in the description box. We have our scallion, some celery. We're going to put all our ingredients in the blender. No specific order. We just throw everything in there. Blend as you go. When it's full, add more as it goes down. Some garlic, and you can make this spicy by adding some habanero peppers as well. Also, I like to use olive oil because it has low burning point. Since this is going in the fridge, it's actually perfect for it. So yeah, here we go, adding some olive oil. I don't measure, just add enough for it to blend, and enjoy the video.